During the 3 days since the 26/11 terrorist began his voluntary deposition in the special court, Kassav has portrayed himself as having broken down under the barrage of evidence against him. But Times Now has managed to uncover a deeper motive to this cold-blooded killer's sudden turnaround.
Is this man a good actor, or is he part of a cleverly tutored plan to throw Indian investigations out of gear? For in Ajmal Amir Kassav's so-called confession, there are at least 7 blatant contradictions. For one, he had earlier claimed defiantly that his confession was a message to other Fidains. But before the courts, he has now said his guilty plea was made after Pakistan accepted him as a citizen. He had earlier admitted to killing the captain of this boat, Kuber, that brought him towards Mumbai coast with his accomplices. But now that has been denied. Even the blame for planting the RDX on the 2 taxis have been shifted to his accomplice Abu Ismail. The blame for opening fire at bystanders at the Kama Hospital too has now been placed on his dead accomplice Abu Ismail. Similarly, he now says it was Ismail who opened fire in retaliation when Karkare, Kamte and Salaskar intercepted them near Kama Hospital. Even the charge of killing police constable Omble, which he had confessed to earlier, has now been denied in the new version. But perhaps the most blatant lie said by this baby-faced assassin, as he's been nicknamed, is the plea that he was merely the executor and not the conspirator.
I pointed out various circumstances and the flaws in his statement of admission of the guilt and pointed out to the court that how Kassav is trying to save his own skin by saying his minimum role in the commission of the crime as well as throwing responsibility on the others. This is because he wanted to save his other colleagues.
Kassav's confessions raise suspicion on whether he is trying to play the victim to commute his death sentence or if it's a deliberate ploy to shield his top bosses in Pakistan. With Megha Prasad, Deepti Menon, Times Now.